Alright, hey guys, so I actually filmed this already and it got messed up. Anyways, if you see the title, then you already know what this video is going to be about. It is basically what is in my labor and delivery bag. Before I get started with that, I am going to backtrack the week a little bit. So today is Sunday. I am 37 weeks pregnant. On Monday, I did have a clinic appointment, so I went in for my clinic appointment. They are doing monitoring because they do have high blood pressure on baby, so they are constantly, every time I go in, they do monitor her for a good 20 to 40 minutes depending on her movement. So yeah, I went in and unfortunately I did have a really high blood pressure, and I did have protein in my urine, which is basically preeclampsia. So they sent me to labor and delivery at the hospital. So I was sent to the hospital. Thank goodness I was with my husband. And basically they checked me in, and I was there for 4 hours as they monitored me, my blood pressure, and baby. They took my blood, of course, urine sample and everything. So everything came back honestly fine, except my urine had the protein in it. So the doctor came in. She's like, literally, baby is fine. She has not been affected literally by my blood pressure, but because of the protein in my urine, that I will be induced Sunday, your week 37. Which, if you have noticed since earlier, it is actually today. So I will actually be induced while while you're actually watching this video, or I have already been induced. So yeah, I'm going to share with you guys what I'm taking in my hospital bag. Nothing has changed from the moment that I actually filmed that portion of the video, other than I am taking a shorter sleeve onesie for her, since it is hot in Chicago and it's actually really hot right now. You know, I thought I had a couple more weeks, but I don't. So it's pretty hot and humid, so just in case, I did take an extra onesie for her. And the other thing you guys will not be seeing is the book bag that literally has all my medical information and my ID, my husband's wallet, like all stuff like that, and also has his snacks. The reason I'm taking another bag for that is because I read a lot and saw a lot of videos that said take an extra bag just so that when you leave the hospital, you can put diapers and everything that the hospital provides in that bag, which is what I'm basically going to do. So his snacks will be in there, and then, you know, once he has all those snacks, it will close up and have all her stuff in there. Yeah, I am excited. I am nervous, all of the above. Done so much research on being induced, which I probably shouldn't have, but anyways. But yeah, keep me in your prayers. Hopefully everything goes well and smooth and nothing crazy happens, and she agrees because she is moving. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys when I have my baby girl. Yeah. Alright, so what I am taking for my husband is a pair of sandals just in case he does need to take a shower, hoodie, his toiletry bag, a pair of joggers, 2 boxers, and 2 t-shirts, and a pair of socks. Before I get into the clothing items for me, I am packing some sandals for the shower. My toiletry bag, I do have brushes in here as well in case I do decide to do my makeup. So I did read a lot of people say that when you go home, you do really want to feel a little bit more normal. If you want to see an in-depth video on what I am packing in this bag, let me know down below. But I am taking a little bit of makeup. You guys are probably like, that's a lot. It's actually not, because I do have some skincare items in here as well. But these are basically toiletries and the sandals that I am packing. Alright, so that's basically what's on that side already of the bag, which is my husband's stuff, toiletries, and makeup. What else is going to go on that side are some extras. Obviously not that, but the pillowcases will be going on there. These were very affordable in Walmart, so I got them. The travel pillows are honestly for my back and for my husband. I've been hearing so many things that those pillows at the hospital are beyond uncomfortable. And my husband's probably going to be uncomfortable, period. So I did get that for us. I am taking a towel. I don't travel anywhere without a towel. I don't like using any fetish towel, not even when I travel. Buy those cheap at Walmart as well, so I'm taking those. And then I am taking a thin blanket for my husband and a thin blanket for myself. Just some extra stuff that you don't really need, but will make me feel more comfortable not being home. Alright, so for baby girl, it's even more simple. So I am actually packing 3 swaddles of that minty one. Actually matches a robe for me later on. Packing the I'm here named Date and Height, and then that is a little matching puppy that I do want to take a picture with her in. Packing hat, socks, 2 mitts, and this outfit's actually 0 to 3. I'm packing 2 of these in 0 to 3 and newborn, and this one is a newborn outfit. We don't know how big she's going to be, obviously, so I'm taking 2, and this one's newborn with a hat, mitts, and gloves. But yeah, that is all I'm really packing for Gia, so that's her little outfits to come home. Alright, so last is me. So right here I'm actually taking some basically blue patches for milk. I guess, I don't even know. Some breast pads. So right here I'm taking some breast pads and kind of like a nursing blanket in case I am lucky enough to get milk right away, so I could breastfeed and, you know, not be all out there. So this is the robe and the PJ dress that I am taking that matches the baby, just in case we do take pictures or anything like that in the hospital. I'll kind of show you guys what it looks like, and anything will be linked down below. I am taking boxer, women boxer underwear. I'm taking the maternity underwear, and I'm also taking 2 disposable ones. This was honestly all over the place. Some women said that the hospital one was fine. Some people said they hated it. Some people said like regular maternity underwear were uncomfortable. Some said boxer ones were uncomfortable, and some said vice versa. So I decided to just take some different ones just because I don't want to be uncomfortable on top of what I'm already going to be uncomfortable. So I got that. Taking 2 maternity bras, sports bras. Taking some socks to go home. I know I'm taking more than 1. Honestly, that's just me in general. I always take extra socks. This is my going home outfit. Got it for $9. It's basically a not hoodie, long sleeve jogger set, and I'm taking an undershirt obviously underneath it, and then or a dress to go home with. Of course, I just want to have another option. I did wear this already well printed. Just wanted to give myself another option just in case. And then the only big thing that everybody did say to take is this guy, basically to clean down there. The hospital does provide it as well, but pretty much every video I watched said they hated the one the hospital provides. So I am taking that as well. So that is literally all I am taking for me. Hoping I don't miss anything. Most women said don't take a breast pump because you may not even get milk. So yeah, I'm literally watching so many videos. But yeah, so that is literally for me. And the last thing that I'm really taking also is this guy. It's a fan. Just because honestly Braxton Hicks makes me sweat like crazy, so I cannot imagine how the contractions are gonna make me feel, so I'm taking this just in case. So yeah, let me finish packing that bag. And that is all nicely packed in there. I will lift it up, but my husband has to do it. But yeah, we are pretty much ready. I do want to mention really quickly though, I am not filming my labor and delivery. Personally, I think it's just something between me and my husband. It's something personal, and I feel like we should be living in the moment versus us making everybody else live in our moment. That's just a personal preference. So I am literally just, I'll film here and there, like we're walking in, how I'm feeling a little bit in it, but the actual labor part I'm not planning on filming. I want us to be completely present. And yeah, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy.